Hello everyone, myself Adit and today I'm going to tell you how can we connect external APIs inside our OpenClaw and why it is important. So if I tell that an agent without APIs is just guessing the output, your OpenClaw agent sounds intelligent, but the moment you ask for live data, weather, prices, system info, it will start failing. And if you will might think a question why? Because the intelligence without tools is just prediction. Today I will show you how to give your Olama powered OpenClaw agent a real world access and the correct way of using skills. So first of all, let's clear the confusion that in OpenClaw agent is defined for identity and decision making, skills are defined for capability and tools are defined for execution or external API calls. That why the doc says skill provide your tools. So step 1, I would like to tell you that first of all you should go inside your OpenClaw folder and over here then yeah, first of all go inside the OpenClaw folder and then find the agents.md file. Let me search over here agents.md file. This is the file. Open it in any code editor or notepad. You can open it. Here we have to define inside the tool section the external APIs we want to use. So inside the tool section, let's scroll down and find this tool section. See, inside the tool section I have already written an external APIs for finding the current weather over here. Similarly, we can generate an API call or query and copy paste is inside it. You can use ChatGPT to doing so. Let me show you the external API I have generated using ChatGPT. Let me show you. See, this is the free API, free public API that I have used over here for generating the instant or current weather, not a stored one or recent data. I have given the prompt that what is the weather of Lucknow currently and it has provided the information which is not a guesswork. It is the current information which is very important and it makes my agent not only an simple predictor but also a real world agent. Now we can ask your agent what is the current weather of Lucknow or any city we can. The things with that happen internally as the agent detects that it needs a real data. Then it chooses the weather skill or tool, it calls the API, receives the live JSON file and convert it into a human language like this. There is no longer an hallucination or any kind of prediction. This is real data. Let me tell you that how API keys work. When an API needs a key, you never hard code it. You must add it to an environment variable if you are using any kind of tool that requires a API key. Since I am using a tool that does not require an API key, then we don't need to add it. But if you are using a paid API key, then just add your API key inside a environment variable so it will be secured. Then remember one thing I want to tell you at last, that agent think, skills act, tools touch the real world. If your agent doesn't use the skills and APIs, it's just a role playing intelligence. Once you connect the real data, your OpenClaw agent become useful. Thank you so much.